In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install a new speaker or audio output device on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System item on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down and select Sound. Where it says pair a new output device, select add device, and then follow through with the on-screen setup of connecting your device, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.